Good evening students. Welcome to class 7th maths. Now I am going to teach you the topic called direct proportion and inverse proportion. First we will study the example of direct proportion. If 15 pence cost 75 rupees, what is the cost of 30 such pence? Here the number of pence increases from 15 pence to 30 pence, its number increases. Here the number of pens increases, so the cost of pen also increases. So this is an example of direct proportion. Now we will write in ratio form. Number of pens upon cost of pens. Here number of pens is 15. Cost of pens is 75. You have to find cost of 30 pence. Let x be the cost of 30 pence. So again you have to write in ratio form. Number of pence upon cost of pence. Okay. Cost of pence is x. Number of pence is 30. Now from 15 pence to 30 pence number is increasing, and therefore its cost of pen also increases. So write this statement here. Here the number of pens increases, so the cost of pens also increases. The ratio of the number of pens to the cost of pens remain constant. This is an example of direct proportion. So you have to write statement like this. Now let us continue solving. 15 upon 75 is equal to 30 upon x. In first ratio, number of pens upon cost of pens is 15 upon 75. So that ratio I would write here is equal to second ratio form what you wrote, number of pens upon cost of pens. What you wrote is that you have to write here on the right side. This 30 upon x. So now you have to cross multiply. And then you have to solve. So now let's start solving. 15 into x is equal to 75 into 30. 15 into x left side you have to write is equal to 75 multiplied by 30. In cross multiplication form you have to write 15 into x 15x. So multiply this number 75 into 30. Any number multiplied by 0, here 75 into 30, 1 0 is there, so take 1 0. So 75 into 3 multiply now. So answer is getting 2250. This is simple multiplication. When you multiply unit and tens place of zeros. So now you have to divide. You have to find the value of x. Okay. 15x is equal to 2250, which I wrote here. So now 15 you have to take it on denominator. So numerator, what is there on right side number, that you have to write as it is over here. When you shift it 15 on from left to right side, so you have to divide it. You have to find value of x. So divide it now. 15 ones are 15, because 15 twos are 30 coming. 30 is greater than 22. 22 minus 15 subtraction do. You can do cancellation also, or you can do direct subtraction also if you don't know. 15 5s are 75. 75 minus 75 is 0. Now this 0 you have to bring it down. 15 zeros are 0. So here quotient what you got, that answer you have to write. So final answer is cost of 30 pence is equal to 150 rupees. This is the answer.